Happy morning, students. Welcome to Blue Star Science Secondary School online classes. Last class we have discussed about Unit 6 Light Small Introduction, that is a concept map and the words in this unit. So in this class we have discussed about the topics laws of reflection, lateral image and spherical mirrors we have discussed. Okay. So laws of reflection. So this is the plane mirror. So the lined surface is not reflective light. Okay. So the opposite surface is reflected the light. So the ray passing through that is the light is passing through the plane surface and it is reflected. Okay. So this is the reflecting surface. So AO is a incident ray. So the light come to the plane surface and reflected. So we are drawing into the perpendicular line. That is, this line is called as normal. Okay, that is we have put into a name ON. ON is a normal. Okay, and the AO is a, what is this? Incident ray, and OB is a reflected ray. So this is make a angle. AO is make an angle because the normal. So this is the I. That means that incident ray. And the OB is make an angle, that is R. So the angle R and angle I is equal. So the angle AON, that is angle of I, and what is this? NOB, that is angle of reflected, that is angle of R. So AON and NOB is equal because this is the reflected ray and this is the incident ray. So this is called as angle of reflections. So AON and NOB is angle of, that is angle of AON and NOB is equal. So this is the angle of reflections. That means that the angle of incident and angle of reflection is equal. This is called angle of reflection. Okay. So the incident ray, normal and reflected ray is meeting at the, what is this? Lying on the same plane, that is M dash. So this is the called of law of reflection. So this is the law of reflection. First we have taken into the plane mirror, that is M dash. So the light passing through the reflector surface, that is AO, that means that incident ray. This incident ray is reflected, that is OB. We have drawn into the ON. This is the called normal. So the incident ray and the reflector ray make an, what is this? Angle, because we have done into the normal. So this is make an angle, that is AON, that is angle of I. This is the, what is this? Angle of incident. Next, NOB, angle of NOB, that is angle of, this is the, what is this? Angle of reflection. So, this is the laws of reflections. So, the laws of reflections are given as the incident ray and the reflector ray and the normal at the point of incidence all lying in the same plane. So all of you know that. So the reflector ray and normal point and incident ray, these 3 points are lying in the same plane. That is M dash. So the angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflections. Already we know that is this is the reflected ray. So this is the angle of incidence and angle of reflection is equal. So this is the laws of reflections. The next one is lateral inversion. Lateral inversion means that தமிழ்ல இடவல மாற்றம், அதுதான் நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்றோம், lateral inversions. So the lateral word comes from the Latin word latus, which means that side. Okay, so lateral inversion means that sidewise inversions. All of you wake up and they are ready to school. So நீங்க என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க, மிரரை போயிட்டு பார்ப்பீங்க. ஓகேவா, ஸ்கூலுக்குலாம் கிளம்பி வரக்குள்ள என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க, மிரரை போயிட்டு பார்ப்பீங்க. மிரர்ல பார்க்கும்போது என்ன ஆகும், நம்ம ரைட் ஹேண்டு லெஃப்ட் ஹேண்டா தெரியும், லெஃப்ட் ஹேண்டு ரைட் ஹேண்டா தெரியும். இது எதனால தெரியுது, மிரர்ல பார்க்கறதுனால நமக்கு தெரியுதா, இல்ல. ஓகேவா, அது எதனால ஏற்படுதுன்னு சொல்லிட்டு இது வரைக்கும் நீங்க திங்க் பண்ணிருக்கீங்களா, எதுக்கு நமக்கு வந்து லெஃப்ட் ரைட்டா தெரியுது, ரைட் லெஃப்டா தெரியுது அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு. நமக்கு இந்த மாதிரி லெஃப்ட் ரைட் அந்த மாதிரி சேஞ்ச் மாத்தி தெரியக்குள்ள கண்ணாடியோடைய கண்ணாடியால தான் அது ஏற்படுதுன்னா நம்ம அப்ப தலைகீழ தெரியணும். கரெக்டா, அப்ப நம்ம ஹெட் வந்து தரையில இருக்கணும், நம்ம கால் வந்து என்ன இருக்கணும், மேல இருக்கணும். அந்த மாதிரி தெரியணும். ஆனா இந்த லெஃப்ட் ஹேண்டு ரைட் ஹேண்டு அது மட்டும் சேஞ்ச் ஆகி தெரியுது. எதனால, so this is the, what is this, lateral inversions, because it is not a mirror fault, this is the our perception. Okay, so the lateral inversion is our perceptions, not a mirror. So all of you see the pictures. So this is the picture and this is the plane mirror. That is, all of you note that the arrow mark. So the picture is through the inverter and same. So this is the right hand side, the arrow mark is correct. Okay, so this is the left hand, the plane and real image hand is, what is this, left. So left hand to left. So what is this, leg. This is the right leg at the bottom. This is the left leg for the bottom. So இது வந்து என்ன தெரியுது, லெஃப்ட் லெஃப்டா தான் தெரியுது, ரைட் ரைட்டா தான் தெரியுது. அது மட்டும் என்னது, டாப்ல இருந்து பாட்டம் இருக்கு எல்லாமே கரெக்டா தான் தெரியுது. ஏரோ மார்க்க பார்த்தா உங்களுக்கு தெரியுது. ஓகேவா, சோ இது வந்து என்ன தெரியுது, மிரர் வந்து நம்மள லேட்டரல் இன்வெர்ஷனா காட்டுறது இல்ல, என்னது நம்மளுடைய பெர்செப்ஷன் தான் அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கு. ஓகேவா, so this is the lateral inversion. Next we have learned to real and virtual image. So first we have taken into a plane mirror. So the light ray coming from an object, it is reflected. After the reflected, the rays are meeting, or what is this? Meet at one point. So that point is formed a image, that is a real image. So this image is inverted and produced on the screen. Okay, so the light rays is coming from an object, it is reflected on the surface. After reflection, it is meet at point, meet that one point, that image is formed, that is called, what is this, real image. Okay, so the real image is produced on the screen and it is an inverter, that is called real image. The next one is virtual image. We have taken into the plane mirror. So the light rays is coming from an object, but do not meet after reflections, but it is appear to meet when produced backwards. That image will be the virtual image. So after reflections do not meet the rays, but the backwards, that is lined part. ஸோ இதுல போயிட்டு என்ன ஆகும், இமேஜ் வந்து அதாவது ரிஃப்ளெக்டரை வந்து மேக் பண்ணும். ஓகேவா, ஸோ இதை பேக்வர்ட்ஸ்ல போயிட்டு நமக்கு என்ன ஆகுது, ரிஃப்ளெக்டர் ரேட் வந்து மீட் ஆகிறதுனால என்ன ஆகுது, ஸ்க்ரீன்ல தெரியாது, விர்ச்சுவல் இமேஜ் ஸ்க்ரீன்ல தெரியாது. அண்ட் ஆல்சோ இட் இஸ் எ எரக்ட் and cannot be caught on a screen. Okay, so if the light rays coming from an object actually meet after reflection, the image formed will be a real, and it is always inverted. So a real image is produced on a screen. So if the light rays coming from an object actually meet after reflections, the image formed will be a real and it is always inverted. So this is the real image. So the next one is virtual image. When the light rays coming from an object do not actually meet but appear to meet when produced backwards. that image will be virtual image. After reflections, the rays actually do not meet, but the rays appear meet into the backwards. So that the backwards the image is formed. That image is called as a virtual image. So after reflection, the rays are meet and formed image, that is a real image. And after reflections do not meet the rays, but after the backwards meet the rays and image formed, that is called virtual image. So we know that loss of reflections. So this loss of reflection is not a reflected from the plane surface. It is reflected from all types of reflecting surface, including what is this curved mirrors, etc. So in your lower classes, you have studied about what is this many types of curved mirrors, such as what is this spherical mirror and parabolic mirrors. So most of the used in the what is this spherical mirror. Okay, so the spherical mirror is divided into two types, that is concave mirror and convex mirror. One by one we will learn. Okay, so first think what is this? What is mean by spherical mirror? What is mean by spherical mirror? So such mirrors, such mirrors whose reflecting surfaces are spherical are called spherical mirrors. So we have to use the spherical shaped mirrors, that is means that spherical mirrors. So that reflecting surface, important for the reflecting surface is spherical, that is called spherical mirrors. So these are the two types, that is concave mirror and convex mirror. The first one is concave mirror. So this means that the reflecting surface is curved inwards. Okay. First one is concave mirror. So the reflecting surface is curved inwards. So this is called as concave mirror. The next one is convex mirror. Convex mirror. So the reflecting surface is curved outwards. That is called convex mirror. So the spherical mirror means that the reflecting surface is a sphere. Sphere means a round shape. Okay, so the spherical mirror is further divided into two types, that is concave mirror and convex mirror. So the concave mirror means that the reflecting surface is curved inwards. So this is the towards the center of the sphere. Okay, so this is called concave mirror, and the convex mirror, the reflecting surface is curved outwards. That is means that convex mirror. So this is the concave mirror and convex mirror. Okay, so this is the what is this inwards. So கொஞ்சம் குழியா வருது. ஓகேவா, ஸ்பியர் ஷேப்லயே கொஞ்சம் குழியா இந்த சைடு வந்து ரிஃப்ளெக்ட் ஆச்சுன்னா என்னது இது கான்கேவ் மிரர். அதே மாதிரி இது பாருங்க கொஞ்சம் என்னது அவுட்வர்ட்ஸ்ல எப்படி வருது கர்வ்டா வருது. ஓகேவா, இது இன்வர்ட்ல கர்வ்டா வருது, அதாவது உள் சைடு கர்வ்டா வருது, இது வெளி சைடுல கர்வ்டா வருது. So this is the difference between the concave and convex mirror. So next we learn about image formed by spherical mirrors. So we have to take into the concave mirror. So we saw that the parallel rays of sunlight would be focused at a point using a concave mirror. Okay, so concave mirror என்ன ஆகும், நமக்கு ஒரு பாயிண்ட்ல சன்ரைஸ் வந்து எல்லாமே என்ன ஆகும் ஒரு பாயிண்ட்ல ஃபோக்கஸ் ஆகும். ஓகேவா, so now let us see about we have to take into a screen concave mirror and candle. So candle concave placed at a candle concave mirror and screen. So the image is not see. Okay, so the screen is adjusted and how to adjust the front and back etc. Okay, so you move to the screen front and back. At one point the image is formed. Okay, so we will note that the image is what is this small and inverted image. Okay, so next step we have taken into the move to the candle. Okay, so the move to the candle in the front of concave mirror. So at some point the image is formed. So you see about the image in the mirror. So the image is erect and magnified image. Okay, so what you learn about in this process, so the sum of the point the image is formed. So it is very complicated from the what is this plane mirror and spherical mirror. So the plane mirror we are taken into two rays. Okay, there are two rays are coming so easily the image is formed, but the concave mirror is very complicated. So we need to locate out four specific rules for image formation of the spherical mirror. So that is the rules for the construction of image. There are four rules. Rule number 1, 2, 3, 4. The first rule is the ray passing through the first we have taken into the mirror. That is what is this M dash. The center point is principal focus, and C means the center of curvature, and F means that focus. So the first rule is the ray passing through the center of the curvature is reflected back along its own path. So the ray passing through the center of the curvature. So the reflector is after towards the what is this center of the curvature. Okay, so this is the rule number 1. So the ray வந்து என்னன்னா சென்டர் ஆஃப் கர்வேச்சர் வழியா போச்சா நமக்கு வந்து ஒன் ரே மட்டும் போகாது, நிறைய ரேஸ் போகும். ஓகேவா? அதுல ஏதாவது ஒரு ரே வந்து என்னன்னா சென்டர் ஆஃப் கர்வேச்சர் வழியா போச்சுன்னா என்ன ஆகும்னா ரிஃப்ளெக்டர் ரே எப்படி இருக்கும்னா மறுபடியும் அந்த சென்டர் ஆஃப் கர்வேச்சர் வழியாக தான் போகும். ஓகேவா? நம்ம பிளேன் மிரர்ல பார்த்தோம்ல இன்சிடென்ட் ரே அண்ட் ரிஃப்ளெக்டர் ரே, அதே மாதிரி தான். ஓகேவா? ஸோ இன்சிடென்ட் ரே த்ரூ தி center of curvature after the reflection rays through the center of curvature. So this is the rule number 1. So the next one is rule number 2. A ray parallel to the principal axis passes through or appears to be coming from the principal focus. So the ray, it is parallel to the principal axis. So this is the incident ray and it reflected through the principal focus, that is F. This is the reflected ray. So principal axis க்கு parallel ஒரு ray போயிட்டு reflect ஆச்சுன்னா அது எந்த வழியா போயிட்டு image form ஆகும்னா என்னது principal focus வழியா என்ன ஆகும் ray pass ஆகும். ஓகேவா? So this is the rule number 2. So the next one is rule number 3. A ray passing through the focus gets reflected and travels parallel to the principal axis. So principal axis க்கு parallel போனா எது வழியா வரும்? அதாவது principal focus க்கு reflector ray வரும். So same for the, but the incident ray is through the, what is this? Principal focus. After reflected, the ray is passing through the parallel to the principal axis. Okay. So parallel போனா principal focus க்கு reflect ஆகும். அப்ப என்ன ஆகுது? இது principal focusல தான் incident ஆகுது. அப்ப reflector எப்படி இருக்கும்? parallel இருக்கும். எதுக்கு? principal axis க்கு parallel இருக்கும். இதுதான் நம்ம என்ன சொல்றோம்? principal axis. ஓகேவா? இதுக்கு parallel இருக்கும். So rule number 2 and rule number 3 same. என்னன்னா first incident ray parallel போனா reflector ray எப்படி இருக்கும்? focus வழியா வரும். ஓகேவா? So rule number 3 என்னது? focus வழியா போனா என்ன ஆகும்? parallel இருக்கும். ஓகேவா? So the next one is rule number 4. A ray incident at the pole of the mirror gets reflected along a path such that angle of incident is equal to the angle of reflections. It is always note that is plane mirror எப்படி நம்ம பார்த்தோமோ அதே மாதிரி தான். ஓகேவா? So this is the pole of the mirror, end of the mirror. So the ray is incident on the pole of the mirror. So after it gets reflected through the, what is this? Angle of reflections. So already we know that what is this? Angle of incident and angle of reflection is equal. So this is the 4 rules for image formation or construction of the image in the spherical mirrors. So in this class we learn about laws of reflection. So how to the rays are reflected and what is mean by lateral inversion. So this is the perception in our eyes. So this is the produce and lateral inversion. The next one is real and virtual image. So after reflection, the rays is meet, the image is formed, that is real image, and after reflection the rays are do not meet. After backwards the rays are meet and image formation, that is virtual image. The next one is image formed by spherical mirrors and rules for the construction of image. So in this class we have learned. Okay, I believe that all of you follow the class and write classwork and homework note, etc. Thank you, student.